Hi, I'm Patricia, and welcome to my creative space. Today I'm going to do a Skinner blend for you, two different ways to show you how easy a Skinner blend is to do no matter what way you do it. So here I have my two colors today. I am using cadmium yellow and bright green pearl, and I'm just going to take my middle square cutter here out of my set, and I'm just going to cut a square into each of these. I don't need that much for the project I'm going to do, in which I will be doing the project later in another video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're just working on the Skinner blend. So now I've got my colors cut out. Discard the scrap there. And instead of folding them over because I don't need so much, I'm just going to cut them in half and make the Skinner blend that way. So I'm not really using that much clay. I'm big on trying to save clay, so when money gets tight and you want to create, you're going to save it as much as you can. Anyways, back to the cutting. So there I've got my squares cut out, or rather my triangles. So I'm just going to stick these little puppies together here. I'll try to straighten it up for you so I can show you what I'm talking about. So I'm just sticking them together. Mend that seam just a little bit. Got something on there, no biggie. I'll get it off. Use my blade to take it off. Pop. There it goes. There's most of it. I can still see it. Anyway, so I'm going to pick that up with my blade and I'm going to fold it over. And I'm going to run it through the pasta machine like that. I want the folded side to go in the pasta machine first. So go right down through there, like so, just like that. That's how you want it to go down in there. So now I have my little blend here, looking pretty good. I love how the bright green pearl gives that shimmer over to the yellow. Okay, and here we are with the second way to make a Skinner blend. So I just rolled these out there on my thickest setting. I'm going to go ahead and use my square cutter again. Usually I just take whatever's left and roll it up, but I want them to be even. So I'm using my square cutter just to get the same amount on each side. Like I said, it's rolled out on a setting 0. So were the first ones, by the way. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Okay, so now I'm going to take these and I'm going to squish them down, hopefully where there's no air in them. Just going to squish them into little squares, and now I'm going to make them into little balls. Real easy to do. Just pinch it, squish it, getting it all down into a little ball, hopefully with no air. And then I'm just going to make that circle. I got a little green donut. Now I got two. A little green and a little yellow. Can't run them through like that yet. Now put them in your hands and the palm of your hands and just kind of twist, making like a drop, but upside down. You're doing a drop upside down. That looks good. Do the other one the same way. Put it in between the palms of my hand. Kind of get it stuck there. And then just start rolling. And make that teardrop upside down. Okay. Those look about good. Now I'm going to bring over my acrylic roller and I'm going to roll these out. I'm going to flatten them down so they will fit just fine in my pasta machine on a setting 0. And this is like totally super duper easy way to do it. Yeah, I don't know if you can really mess up a Skinner blend. You know, they're real easy to do. Even if you take and set the colors one on top of each other, you're still going to get a blend. So there's no real way to mess this up. But anyway, just like before, I'm going to fold it. And we're going to put that folded in down in the machine first. I'm going to roll it just like that. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. And here's my blend. As you can see, they come out pretty much the same way. The blend is real nice. The colors fade into each other great. I love how that pearl makes that yellow shimmer. But I'm going to take this little piece that I have left from the first one, and I'm going to put it on here. And I'm going to blend it all together, making one blend for myself for my next project. So that's all I'm doing, is I'm just kind of stretching it, putting it on here, because I want to work this blend a little more. And I'm going to run it through like this. I'm not going to fold it yet. I'm just going to run it through. There we go. Now I've got my good blend here. Take off some of these spots that I got yucky on. Okay, now that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. Like I said, I just wanted to show you two different ways to do a Skinner blend. If this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group, Trisha's Lovely Creations. I hope to see you there. You have a great day, and don't forget to ring that bell.